Hey there, welcome back to our channel. When we download our favorite shorts from TikTok, we notice that the videos automatically come with a TikTok watermark. So, how can we remove the TikTok watermark? Today, I will show you two methods to remove the TikTok watermark. Let's jump in. Before starting, make sure you have downloaded the HitPaw watermark remover, or you can go to link in the description to get it. Once we launch the HitPaw watermark remover, upload our TikTok shorts. You can transfer it with Google Drive. First, observe the position of the watermark, then use a yellow rectangle to select it. Play the video, and you'll notice a second watermark appearing in the bottom right corner. Click the plus sign next to selections in the upper right corner, and you can add a second selection to similarly frame the watermark. Next, we need to adjust the duration of the two selections because the watermark's position changes. On the other hand, this approach helps to preserve the integrity of the image as much as possible. After completing the above steps, set the remove mode to AI mode. We can click the play button to preview and see if the result meets your expectations. If possible, set the desired location to save the video, then click Export. Now let's move to the second method. Here is the website, and I would also put it in the description. Actually, it offers two ways to remove TikTok watermark online. Here, I just show one way, and the other method you can try it in person. Now let's begin. First, upload the TikTok short. Use this blue box to cover the watermark. Adjust the duration of the selection, then add the second selection. Find the position of the second watermark and cover the area properly. Once completed, select the remove mode. Since this is the online version, we can only preview the image to speed things up. Let's take a look. Finally, export it. Now, let's see the final result. It looks perfect. I hope this video helps you. If possible, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll create more meaningful content. See you next time.